Welcome back to the Nice Designs LLC. We're here making another tumbler today, and today is called Poker Game. So we got our pieces here. They're quite big. I thought they were small, but they're quite big. And then we have our little clay shaped card pieces. And so we got our liquid here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. So how I'm going to get these pieces into the hole is I'm going to use my Cricut tool to get these pieces inside this hole. Okay, so this is not glitter. Normally I will put some of this water in first, but I'm going to try something different today. I may not use the solution. Okay, so I'm going to pick just some of my pieces. Oh man, so I'm going to pick some of my pieces out. Go ahead and close that up. Put that over to the side. I was just trying to take some of them out just to see if I could fit it in the hole. And it's going to be a little trick. A little tricky here. So I could get them in there. We're going to see if it'll go under on the side. So it will go on the side. So that was a spade. Let's try see if this club will go in there. It's bent a little bit too much to where it might not go on that side. So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to get these shapes in here. And on the side. I don't know, you guys. I don't know how this is gonna work out. So the spade and the diamond is in there. I'm having an issue with the hearts and the club. Cause see, I have to bend it. Okay, so I got that heart in there. Let me see how I'm gonna attempt to So I'm really gonna have issues probably with my club. So That's going to be an issue. Go ahead, put what I can in here. And the only ones that's really going in here is the diamonds, of course. So I'm going to go ahead, for the sake of time, and go ahead and put this in here. When I found these on Amazon, I thought I found the perfect size. But no, they're actually too big. So now I have to order the ones. Okay, so that's how it looks in the tumbler here. So I'm gonna work off camera with getting the rest of these inside here. Hopefully they will do right and go on down on the side and not bend like these pieces have. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, is work on these pieces here. And I'm not sure if I want to put liquid in it or not. I'm not sure. All right, so I will be back. So I'm back, and as you can tell that I got these in here, but I had to end up making a bigger hole to get them in here. So I fairly got some of them to the side, so I'm just trying to get these to go on the side. It takes a while, and I was on the roll, but then it got kind of stuck on some of the ones that was kind of folded up in here. So I'm going to continue to hit on the side and get all of these down, and I will be back. Okay, you guys, I finally got all the pieces in here, except for this one, but it'll be all right. And I think I will put some liquid in here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Oh, I forgot this one. Don't. I think that one's kind of stopped up or something. I don't have anything to go into it. Okay, so you guys, I filled the water all the way up to the top, and as you see, there's a big old huge, not, I could say a medium-sized bubble. I'm gonna keep that bubble in there so it can help the flow of the shapes that's inside. I had to put 2 of these clear dots on here. I found that this is a little bit better than the little stumps that I normally use to try to cut down to make it fit into this hole. It's like a double-sided sticky. So what I do is try to push down the edges of this. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry. My phone actually went dead on me. So I don't know what you have seen. So you see that it has a big old bubble right here, and this will actually help with the flow of everything with the water and stuff. So this is the cup here. So this is the poker game. I put 2 of those, the double hole there, put 1 there. So now I'm going to get ready for this UV resin here. I can't hardly see my phone. So sorry if it was like out of focus or out of sight or whatever. So I just put this on here. I try to start at the edge and then work my way all the way in here. So as you see, it ran over on the side. I had to get a towel real quick. So this is the end product here. This is the poker game. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Make sure you subscribe and share this. video. Thank you.